Hello traders, I'm Ayush. Welcome to my YouTube channel Depth of Share Market. Today we will discuss our trading setup as it is very important to find out our mistakes and improve them in future to become a successful trader. Before we going to start our today's topic, uh, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel so you never miss any update. So let's come back to our today's topic. So first we will going to see our Nifty 50 chart. So Nifty 50 chart, 1 day chart is showing some doji type candle. So today market was very volatile and it was downtrend, and after that it had recovered in last 1 hour. So first we will discuss 13,200 call. So we can come back to our 5 minute chart and that from morning it was in selling zone, and at this level at 12:30 it had given buy signal, but it didn't have follow through, so there was no entry in this zone, and after that it was again in selling mode, and after at this level 245 it had again given buying signal, but again there was no follow through, so there was no buying signal in call side. So now let's back to 13,000 put. So in 13,000 put, in morning it was in selling zone, but after 9:55 it had generated buy signal, and at this level in first candle and second candle follow through candle, and then some retracement, as we can see here. This is the first candle, then this is the second candle follow through, and then it came back for some retracement, and then it this candle had broken the high of follow through candle, but then it again came back and hit our SL. So at this point it had taken our 1 minute guys. So in this it had taken our 54.47, so almost 7 point SL it had taken. So now let's see another buying signal. Is it generated? Then it had given for sell signal, and then again it had crossed. it had uh, it had it had generated at this level buy signal, and then this is the follow through candle, and then it came back for retracement, and then it given in this candle. Sorry, in this candle it had broken the high of follow through candle at 60 rupees, and then it had given us almost made 76 high. So we got here 1:1. You can clearly see that the high was 60 and low was 49. So here 10 point SL was there, and we caught from this level 16 point. But generally I recommend that you must book profit at 1:1, and then go for 1:2, or trail SL 1:1 when the price going above, so at least you get 1:1 profit. So after that it come back for again selling zone. So this is the today's analysis. So today we got 11 point and 7 point SL gone hit. So today again we are in profit of 4 points. So guys, uh, I mean to say that till now our trading plan is working so far, because a 4 point profit, daily profit, is not a bad thing. That you are not losing money and earning some money, that's good in market to survive. Because most of the time a newcomer or trader lost their capital when they hit their SL in this type of volatile market. So please guys, like and subscribe my YouTube channel, so I can share my trading strategy with you, and every day we discuss our market strategy to improve our trading strategy. Thanks guys, be happy, stay healthy. Thank you.